Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove app from hidden apps in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the application is hidden successfully. Now to remove the hidden app from hidden apps folder on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead to the app library. On the app library, scroll down, locate and click on hidden at the bottom. Then confirm your Face ID or type in your iPhone passcode. Then you should see all the hidden application. To remove the app from the hidden apps, all you need to do is press and hold the application, then click on Don't Require Face ID. Confirm your Face ID. Again, Don't Require Face ID. So you want to repeat this on all the applications that you want to remove from the hidden apps. You can also use your passcode to remove the application from the hidden apps. Then after that, if you come back to the app menu, you discover that the application are not visible. Now this is what you need to do. Come back to the apps here and then search for the application you remove from the hidden apps, press and hold it, and then drag it outside. Click on done. Repeat the same thing again on other application. Press and hold it and drag it outside again. Then you can now go ahead as well and search for the last application you removed. So you want to do this on all the application you removed. You can just press and hold them, drag them out. However, if they are scattered like this and you want them to be well arranged, what you simply need to do is press and hold the application and then drag them to whatever you want them to be. So repeat this again on all the applications you have, like this. And that's it. Then click on Done at top right, and then you'll see the hidden application removed from the hidden apps on your iPhone. So that is basically how to remove app from hidden apps in iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.